Today, I'm going to be reviewing the portable Squatty Potty. This is not a crappy story, everyone. There's going to be lots of puns today. Let's talk about it. So I actually own both. I own the portable version and I own the standard home version. Portable's nice. I actually keep it at my RV, but you could take it with you. For instance, if you're traveling, whatever, it does fold down really nicely. And I'm going to show here in a picture, you'll be able to see how much it can fold down and go out. It supports my body weight. And I weigh about 210 pounds, no problems. So you shouldn't have any issues with it. You've been doing it wrong this whole time, You've just not been pooping right. So I don't know what to say, but there's a better way to do it. And Squatty Potty is the way to do it. When you normally are sitting on the toilet, you're kind of closing off things. And this forces you into this squatting position, a little bit forward, like 35 degrees. And it just opens everything up. It's a gross topic. I actually hate talking about this. Might be a little embarrassing for you. But when you do this, this is going to help everything from relieving yourself to maybe even if you have issues with hemorrhoids or anything like that. This is a much better way to do it. It's the natural way to do it, and it forces you to be in that position. And it's better than just literally squatting over a toilet without sitting down. This gets 4.6 stars and has over 3,500 reviews. And last month, September of 2025, over 1,000 of these were bought. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.